Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to manage your Trello board members and permissions. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all just go to the Trello application and sign in into your account if you haven't already. I've already done that, so I'm just gonna go into my Trello account. And here I'm just gonna click on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new board, just for the sake of this video, so I can teach you guys how to do it. So I'm just gonna create a new board, add some random text here. Alright, so you just have to click on the three dots in the top right corner to add a new member. So I'm just gonna click on invite, and here you can invite a random person. So I'm just gonna add this guy right here. So I've added him to the board, and here if I just click on this guy's name, you can see I can either remove him from the board or I can just make him an admin. So if I just click on it and save it, he will become an admin. If I click on the trash icon at the right of his name, it will remove him from the board. So yeah guys, this is how you manage your Trello board members and their permissions. So it's that simple guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.